AI does not think. It does not feel. And yet, today, it can say things that are not true. In a dark room, a screen lights up. Words appear smoothly, confident, clear. But the story is wrong. AI does not understand facts. It only predicts the next word. What sounds most likely is what it writes. Sometimes it creates fake sources. Sometimes wrong medical advice. Sometimes even court cases. That never existed. The problem is not that AI makes mistakes. The problem is this. It sounds sure even when it is wrong. A student believes it. A patient trusts it. And the lie spreads quietly. Experts say, AI is not lying. It has no intent. But when the impact is real, does the difference matter? In the future, rules will come. Systems will improve. But one thing will stay in our hands. Every AI answer is not the final truth. The question is not, can AI lie? The real question is, have we stopped questioning the answers?